Alright, hello, this is Patrick Devine for Ed Cawthorn's Object-Oriented Programming class, and this is week 4. So, this week we got working on the encryptor actually, and finally did some code. We tried to divvy up the work in a fair way. But I was given the plug board this week to work on. So what I've come up with, just for testing purposes, is I've made a dictionary and I just use corresponding numbers as of now. I'm not sure if I'm going to change that or not. Like I said, this was kind of just to get the actual process down. And I watched like almost 3 hours of this code camp video starting like from last week, just picking away at it, and finally something useful came up the other night, and he basically made up like a language using this translate thing that would every vowel in a string of text would be changed to a G. So I thought that I could probably use that and incorporate it into this, and I did. So basically I made a function telling it it's going to be translating a phrase, and I set the translation equal to an empty string, and I said for each letter in the phrase, print the letter that corresponds to the plug value. And what happens when I run it? I have to type in translate, and since I only have capital letters and I don't have the entire alphabet finished, I just put some random letters that I know I have in there: A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Put that in quotes and around parentheses, and bam. So it prints off the corresponding value, and then essentially each one of the wheels I think is going to be done pretty similarly. And then to decrypt, yeah, I'm not sure if you just make different dictionaries and reverse the values, or if there's a way you can just tell it here to print the letter value plug, instead of corresponding, you could just print the value. But anyway, that's my code for this week, and I'm gonna get this video uploaded.